In this video, I will explain to you how you can remove the background of your video footage in CapCut on your PC. And that is in case you're not using a green screen. After selecting your footage, you can go on the right side and select chroma key here if your background is green screen. But if it's not, you can select this here, which it says auto cutout. And this is only used if you're having a person and you want to cut out everything else behind the person. After selecting it, it's gonna process up to a few seconds, and afterwards it's gonna mask your person. And as you can see right now it's at 100%. I'm completely cut out the person from the background that he was previously having. And now, if you want to add some background behind that person, you can grab that video, you can leave it on video slot number 2, just as you see me doing right now, and then add a second footage on video slot number 1, which is gonna be behind the person. And that way, you can cut out the background from the person if you're not using a green screen in CapCut for PC. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.